Is Saira from DBT 4B, and today I will be determining the genotype for the male and female organism. So here I have two coins. The heads would be the dominant genotype and the tail will be the recessive genotype. So here we can see it shows one head and one tail. So one dominant allele and one recessive allele. So the female Drosophila will have eyes and it is heterozygous. The genotype will be heterozygous. I'll be determining the eyes for the male Drosophila, and here we can see it came out as two tails, so two recessive genes, and it will be a male with no eyes and it will be homozygous recessive. We will be determining the traits for the female Drosophila, and we can see here it is one head and one tail, so it will be one dominant allele and one recessive allele. So the female will have red eyes and heterozygous. And it has a heterozygous gene. So next we're going to determine the eye color for the male Drosophila. So it shows here two tails, so it will be two recessive genes. So the male will have a homozygous recessive gene, which means they have white eyes.
Assalamualaikum, my name is FATIN binti RAHMAN and my metric number is 23D BT20F1048. So today I will determine genotype and phenotype using a coin by flipping the coin.
So by using coin, the head is allele 1 and tail is allele 2. Trait body color allele 1 is black and tan, capital E. And for the allele 2 is ebony, small letter E. I will flip the coin to determine the genotype. So the first genotype will be capital E. And the second genotype is also capital E. Okay, so for the Punnett square, Trait body color is trait is body color. For the parental genotype is capital letter EE and capital letter EE. So the phenotypic percentage will be 100% of the offspring will be black and tan, and the genotypic percentage 100% of the offspring will have capital letter EE. So for the Punnett square number 4, the trait is length of wings. So the parental genotypes is small letter WW and big letter capital letter WW. So phenotypic percentage 100% will be normal, and genotypic percentage 100% of the offspring will have a W capital letter and small letter W.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Jannah. So now I'm going to flip coin for unit 2 for genotypes and phenotypes for female Drosophila. So my part is shape of wings and shape of the head. So first I will flip the coin using a head at the top. So I get tail. So tail is a curly, so C, small c. Then second flip I get head, so capital C. So I get a normal phenotype. So next, for part of shape of the head, I'll flip coin for top of the. So first I get head, so it's capital H, and then second flip I get tail, so small h. So the phenotype is also a normal phenotype, which is normal. Okay, so for table 2, that is for genotypes and phenotypes for male Drosophila, that is already given. So for the shape of wings, we get a genotype for C and C small size, which is curly phenotype, and for the shape of the head, we get small h and small h, which is leg-headed.
So by using 4 coin, I will flip all the coin at the same time to determine the genotype of male Drosophila Y. So for the 10 cent is represent the gene for eye color, head is dominant allele, and tail is recessive allele. So for the 50 cents coins is represent for the body color, head is dominant, and the tail is recessive. So I will flip all the 4 coins at the same time. So for the 10 cent, I got dominant R and recessive R. So for the body color, I got both ebony. which is small capital letter E.
So for the unit 3, I got for male Drosophila is red eyes and ebony body color for the phenotype, and for the genotype is I got head and tail, and for the body color is both tail.
So now I'm going to do a flip coin for female wild using a 10 cent as a represent as the gene for eye color. So head is a dominant allele and tail is a recessive allele. So now I will flip the coin. So first I get head, which is capital R, and then second flip I also get head, so capital R. Next we will use 50 cent to represent body color. So next I will flip coin for using a 50 cent that represent gene for body color in Drosophila. So head as the dominant allele and tail as the recessive allele. So I will flip the coin and we get tail, which is small letter E, that's capital E, and then second flip that we also get tail, which is capital E. So for the phenotype of female wild Drosophila, we get capital RR is red eyes and capital EE is black and tan body color.
Be determining the genes for male Z. Male Z will have red eyes and with eyes, and the eyes will be red. I'm going to determine for female Z, and you can see here the female Z will have no eyes and red eyes.